Hey everyone, it's Kiri here, and I'm going to be showing you how to use the new Saber text effect. Now this is probably my favourite of them all. So what you do is you add a text effect, and I'm just going to type my username. Now my favourite thing about this is it looks amazing, looks just incredible. So you go to text, Saber, and you have a whole bunch of presets: burning, electric, fusion, haze, neon, and Patronus. Now, I like using it with opacity down. This looks so amazing, and they're also animated, so it just looks perfect. Looks great. So you can use electric, which also looks amazing. Fusion, it's fantastic. Neon, which is a very simple neon sign. Haze, and Patronus. So you can also use it with the opacity up. You can change the font color, the font style, up to you. I preferably like it when it's fully down. So these are really good for edits in intros, in the edits as a watermark. You can literally use it how you like. So this is definitely one of my favorites. It's very professional like, and it's just, I've said it a lot, but it's just amazing. And it's very simple and easy to use. So I hope this was helpful on how to use it. Thank you for watching, and can't wait to see these in all of your edits. See you guys.